Best meat grinder in 2020. Number 1. Kitchen Basics 3-in-1 Manual Meat and Vegetable Grinder Mincer, 3-size Sausage Stuffer, Pasta Maker Bowl Inluded. Number 2. Manual Meat Grinder with Stainless Steel Blades, Heavy-Duty Power Suction Base for Home Use, Fast and Effortless for all meats. Number 3. Metal Food Grinder Attachment for KitchenAid Stand Mixers includes 2 sausage stuffer tubes. Durable Meat Grinder Attachment for KitchenAid, silver. Number 4. Weston No. 10 Manual Tin Meat Grinder and Sausage Stuffer, 36-1001W, 4.5mm and 10mm plates, plus 3 sausage funnels, silver. Number 5. Food Grinder Attachment for KitchenAid Stand Mixers, as Meat Mincer Accessory including Sausage Stuffer Tubes, Amazon Vine. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.